Welcome to manufacturing in Jackson County. What an exciting time to learn about all of the opportunity that sits in your backyard and in your local community. This short video is intended to give you an inside look at just a few of the most technologically advanced manufacturers right here in Jackson County, Michigan. And even better yet, a look at the high-paying, skilled career opportunities that await. Did you know that the bun slicer machines used by many franchise food restaurants are made right here in Jackson? Or that the company who makes frames for every NASCAR team is located here? The manufacturers in your backyard make vital parts for the cars we drive, the planes we jump on, and even the life-saving parts that save a life. They do it all with advanced technology and good, hardworking talent.
So Advanced Turning Manufacturing is a family-owned company. We've been around since 1972. We are a precision machining company, and our primary industries we serve are the medical and the aerospace industries.
So we have a large variety of equipment at Advanced Turning. We have CNC lathes, CNC mills. We have 3D printing capabilities. We have what we'd call a one and done machine, which is kind of your lathe, your mill combination. Instead of having to take parts and moving them from one machine to the other, the one and done machine is doing it all in one, which is pretty neat technology. We have multiple robots that we're using to help on secondary processes as far as deburring. Currently looking to add more technology, something we do every day. Our engineering department is very involved with making sure that we're staying, competitive in the market, advancing a new technology.
The Lean Rocket Lab is a business incubator, accelerator, and co-working space located right here in Jackson, Michigan. We specifically focus on high-tech startups and with a specific emphasis on manufacturing technology. Jackson is an incredible manufacturing community, and there's an amazing amount of innovative manufacturers here across a lot of different industries.
And so here at Lean Rocket Lab, we simply help entrepreneurs, specifically who are making a physical product or a manufacturing innovation or an advanced material, get them connected with the manufacturing community. So we're sort of the interface between entrepreneurship and manufacturing.
So Melling Engine Parts is an aftermarket industry leader in engine components, from camshafts to water pumps to oil pumps. We do a broad range of aftermarket and original equipment for the automotive industry. So when I first started at Melling Tool, I started in our operations across the street where everything was done by hand on older machines. Now we've gone to a process to where across the street we are utilizing the capability of robots more, and this whole building functions on robots. So instead of doing everything manually, instead of everything being brawn, you're using brain instead of brawn, which is a nice swap. So our building in particular is called SGE, which is small gas engine. It is a GM line. Our entire building is dedicated to one part for General Motors, and it's a water pump. The whole building is automated.
This is an amazing time to work in manufacturing, and part of the reason we say that is because of how much technology is involved in manufacturing. You go back 50 years ago when you were turning handles, now you can use your phone to operate machines. You can have, pieces of CNC equipment actually send messages to your phones. You're constantly learning, it's constantly evolving.
Because I think the manufacturing field right now is becoming very exciting. With the Industry 4.0 drive, we're seeing a big shift in technology where we're bringing in a lot more automation with robotics. We're also seeing the additive manufacturing start to take place.
We're actually in the midst of a new industrial revolution. It's actually what's called the fourth industrial revolution, and that really is the digitization of the manufacturing process. And what I mean by that is we're going from not just robots moving one part to another, but the connection of the data from that robot into the cloud. So think about the same way that we use video games or social media. It can be controlled remotely and centrally. So manufacturing is going through this incredible transformation. And right here in Jackson, right here in Michigan, we're at the forefront of what's happening all across the world. It's a pretty exciting time.
There's definitely going to be a lot more 3D printing, a lot more automation, and a lot more of your one and done machines. And I think the lathe mill style manufacturing for CNCs is going to start to phase out as this new automation and 3D printing takes off.
Is if you're a young person and you are interested in manufacturing, the reason I think you should be so excited about what's happening in the space right now, specifically in Industry 4.0, is everything that we've seen from a digital standpoint is merging with manufacturing right now. Information technology and operating technology are coming together, and it's creating tremendous opportunity and innovation in the manufacturing space.
So we have a wide array of positions. Some of our most immediate openings are CNC machining, which would be lathes, mills. We also have openings in other areas such as sandblast, shipping, and a lot of those jobs, when you come in the door, they lead into other positions such as in engineering. I mean, our best engineers we have come off the floor, they understand the process.
If you came to Melling Tool and wanted to see a building that was completely automated from front to back, if you were to stop into an office and ask if you could take a tour of the SGE facility, I'm sure they would arrange it so that you could come through here, and it would probably be me or somebody else taking you on a tour to see what we do.
You know, kids in schools can come in, they can take tours. We've reached out to the superintendents of pretty much every school in Jackson County. We're also willing to go to the school. If you want us to come and visit, we can give you a demonstration, we can show you some videos, show you what we're doing.
It's an exploding, transitioning, totally changing industry right now, and it would be an incredible field to go into, so you should be excited about manufacturing today.
So what do you think? Is a manufacturing career for you? Are you interested in learning more about the industry? If so, we encourage you to talk with local Jackson County organizations that can point you in the right direction in the field of manufacturing. Those organizations include the ShopRat Foundation, the Enterprise Group, Jackson Area Manufacturers Association, Michigan Works Southeast, Jackson Area Career Center, College and Career Access Center, and the Lean Rocket Lab. Thank you so much for watching this video today.